Let's talk posing and styling tips for guys. Here's my take as a full-time headshot photographer for over a decade. The most important thing you can do is jam your forehead out and let your chin come down. This one movement will take you from bad selfie to professional. This move will enhance your jawline by stretching your neck and eliminating some double chin in the process. You might just start to look like a model. Keep your stance relaxed and forget that you're posing for a photo. Stand like you're just hanging out with friends. This will help you look more at ease because you will be more at ease. Shift your weight to one side. Symmetrical poses generally don't work as well if you're not a model. In a tight headshot, of course, your hands won't be visible, but more and more clients are requesting a waist up cropped. So your hands just might show up. Stick one hand in a pocket, but only one. Or maybe just a thumb in a pocket, like this. If you're wearing a jacket, try lightly holding the jacket button, or even try playing with your shirt cuff or watch. Now, these are a little more advanced moves, but they're fun to try if you're practicing in front of a mirror. A word on clothing and styling. Lose the undershirt. It looks terrible on camera. There's a reason why women don't like seeing their bra straps in their headshots. This is no different, guys. Either take off that undershirt or grab a v-neck option. If you normally wear a crew neck undershirt, that's fine. You do you. For your headshot, we need to clean it up. Dress shirts, if you wear one, make sure the collar is nice and crisp. Bring those collar stays. They serve a purpose. These details are really amplified on camera. And make sure the neck size is right. What's that mean? It means if the top button is buttoned, it'll be snug. You should be able to put one, maybe two fingers in there. That's it. Any more and it's too big. Even if you're not wearing a tie, your shirt should be close to the right neck size because if you wear a sport coat for that open collar look, the shirt will look off there too. What about a tie? The decision to wear a tie is totally up to you. Well, or maybe your boss or marketing department, but if you wear one, figure out how to tie it. There's this thing called YouTube. It'll show you. In fact, I should make a video about that. Would you like to see me tie a tie? Let me know in the comments. You know what I won't be doing is tying a bow tie. I've tried and failed many times at that. And your hair. Don't forget about your hair if you're lucky enough to have some. Do something with it. Anything. But that bedhead look, common from ages 13 to 25, just isn't going to work for your college internship headshot. Trust me, they'll send you back in for a reshoot. Back to the posing. Think about hinging forward slightly. This will really help you engage with the camera. It's too easy to pull your shoulders back. And when that happens, your chin will come up and you'll look like an amateur. Your eyes should be looking straight down the camera with intent, just not blue steel intent. And worried about blinking? It happens, but I shoot 2 to 300 frames in a session. So believe me, I'll catch you before or after the blinks. But holding your eyes wide open will make you look nervous and scared. And we don't want that.